Hi guys, just a quick video for a Osmo Pocket, DJI Osmo Pocket accessory that I've been wanting. It arrived from Amazon, I think it was yesterday. It's the SunnyLife cup support adapter for the Osmo Pocket. So basically what we've got here is an adapter for the Osmo Pocket. Just zoom out a little bit. There we go. So this is a cup adapter, hence the name cup, because you get kind of like a cup shape adapter with a typical GoPro mount. And the idea of this adapter is that you can, via the GoPro mount, adapt it to a suction cup or possibly a bike or something like that with the appropriate bits and bobs. And hopefully, this is the $100,000 question, hopefully it should hold the DJI Osmo Pocket nice and firmly, because if it doesn't, chances are that it's just going to fall out. So if I push that in there, it really does feel nice and snug, nice and secure. I don't think I would have any hesitation about fixing that onto the handlebars of my bicycle, which I think I'll do probably in another video. But it really does hold it nice and secure, and it actually is quite hard to get out, so I can't imagine that coming loose on a bike or whatever. And I think probably the reason it's nice and secure is, I don't know if you can see that on this camera, but you have like a rubber perforated grip which goes all around, apart from that front section there. It's there and there, and I think that rubber grip really just holds that nice and firmly, and it does take a bit of effort to get it out, so that's pretty cool. So the next step is for me to put this onto my handlebars on the old bicycle and see how this performs. See how the DJI Osmo Pocket performs on a bike, whether the gimbal stabilisation will work well or possibly be even not working well. I don't know, we'll see, but that's for another video. So yeah, anyway, this is the SunnyLife cup support adapter for the Osmo Pocket. The link you'll find below, and keep watching for other videos on how good this thing actually is. So if you like this video, please give us a like, please possibly give us a subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.